Lord Krishna Naman, all of you. Lord Krishna Naman, my all dear student. Dear student, you and all of us are working to make you successful. Lord Krishna family want to take you to the heights of science. So you are studying well. If you want to become a doctor, understand every aspect of science. Read in depth and whatever point is related to physics, chemistry or biology. You should ask as much as you were in asking question in previous classes. This is the remember point for me. Dear student, we will first try to understand the depth of the chapter which is our topic today. The topic name is nutrition in animal. The nutrition in animals. Before this, we will give you the common information which is very important for you at the time of the common information. You will see the video from the concentration and try to understand in this. You will not write any post in which video we will tell you that you make notes. Now then you will start making notes. My dear student, if you have any query, then you can ask anytime. So my new chapter start now. Nutrition in animal. All animal including human needs certain nutrients to stay alive and grow. These nutrients are obtaining from food. The food you eat. Food, eat, that means feeding. Feeding is not in a form that can instantly provide you with nutrition. First, it has to be break down into small particles. These particles must then be changed into simpler soluble form, which the body cells can absorb. Only then can food provide nutrients. Various process involved in nutrition in animal that take in solid form as first point digestion. What is digestion? Digestion is the taking in the food. It involves taking in the food through the mouth and eating. Taking in the food through the mouth and eating it is called digestion. Why do animals need to live? Animals make energy. First point, animal make energy. How can get energy? With the help of food and oxygen. Animal build bodies. How can build body? Food for raw material. Raw material, protein. Protein break down and change in amino acid, sugar, fats and nucleotide. And food release ATP, energy for synthesis. ATP stand for adenosine triphosphate. Why is nutritional requirement? Animal are heterotrophs. Animal can't make own food. Need to take in food. Why? First, fuel. Chemical energy for production of ATP. Second, raw material. Carbon source for synthesis. Third, essential nutrients. Animal cannot make essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, iron, sodium, calcium, etc. etc. How do animal get their food? You can see some pic. Filter, suspension feeding, substrate feeding, feeding, and bulk feeding. This is the amazing pic for you. Different diets, different lives. All different types animal depend on different type of nutrition. All animal eat other organism. First point, herbivorous. Herbivorous eat mainly plant. Example, gorilla, cow, rabbit, snails. Second point, carnivorous eat other animal. Just example, shark, spider, snake. Third point, omnivorous eat animal plants. Cockroach, bears, humans. Human involved as hunters, scavenger, and gather. We also discuss. We will also discuss about scavenger in previous classes. This is the diagrammatical condition. Mouth, getting using food,